Hello guys, welcome to Consistent Trader. In this channel, we are going to learn the basics of. In this channel, we are going to learn about stock market from the basics to expert level. So we will be uploading series of videos regarding stock markets from basics to advanced strategies. Stock market completely for free. Better subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Now let us get into the video. This is our first video, and in this video we are going to see about the basics of stock market trading. First of all, what is trading? Trading is different from investing. Don't ever confuse. Trading is different from investing. Most of the people says that trading is a zero sum game. So what is a zero sum game? It's nothing but if a buyer loses the money, all the money that is lost by the buyer goes to the seller. That is called as a zero sum game. But trading is not a zero sum game. Not all the money that is lost by either buyer or seller goes to the opposite. Some of the money goes to the brokers. So it's not a zero sum game. And before you enter into trading, you must need to do an analysis. So there are two types of analysis in trading. One is fundamental analysis and another one is technical analysis. So what is a fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is nothing but it involves the details you are going to collect about the company's earnings, expenses, the assets that company has, mortgages and loans, and the balance sheet. Everything you collect, you analyze the data and decide how the company is going to perform in the future based on this analysis. This is called as fundamental analysis. Next is technical analysis. Technical analysis is completely different from fundamental analysis. In this, we are going to analyze to capture a movement in a stock price and its volume. So this may include trend lines, support resistance, momentum indicators such as RSI, DMAT, etc. So we are going to cover technical analysis for trading. And what are the types of trading? There are four types of trading. Number one is intraday trading. Intraday trading is nothing but a trade which happens and ends within the same day. That is intraday trading. Next is BTST trades. This is nothing but a trade. If you take a trade today, you end the trade or close the trade within a day or two. That is BTST trade. Third one is swing trade. Swing trades may happen within a week or two. Then comes the positional. Positional trade is nothing but a trade with which you hold it for a long period of time, for say about 3 or 4 months, maybe to a year. That is called as positional trading. So what is a stock market? Stock market is nothing but a market where people buy and sell shares. Nowadays, it has become an electronic medium which has made everyone to trade easily sitting at the home simply with a laptop or mobile. So what is a stock? Stock is also known as company's equity. It's nothing but if a person owns a company, he's gonna give a part of its ownership to a public or some person. So if you buy a share, you will be a part owner of that company. So with that, you can make a share on its earnings if it generates a profit. So what are the types of stock exchanges? Stock exchanges, there are two types. One is NSE, another one is BSE. NSE is widely used. So why we prefer NSE? This is because it has more volume and liquidity. In NSE, we can trade with huge volume since it has a high liquidity when compared to BSE. So next is What are the types of markets? There are few types of markets. One is equity market. This involves equity cash, futures, options. Again, next one is commodity. Commodity means trading in copper, crude oil, silver, gold, etc. comes on commodity. Third one is forex market. Forex market means trading in currency. Since we cannot directly trade in forex market in India, this is because in India we can only NRIs can trade in forex market legally. Though some are trading with the NRI accounts and offshore brokers, we do not recommend doing so. So now you need to know what is a DMAT account. DMAT is nothing but dematerialization. In earlier days, stocks were given as a bonds. Nowadays, everything has become online. So, dematerializing those old bonds into electronic medium is DMAT. These DMAT accounts holds all your investments, mutual funds, government bonds, etc. So these are the very basics of stock market. Hope you all understand. If you have any doubts regarding this, please leave a comment. And this is just a basic, very basic video. In the upcoming videos, we will go step by step further so that you can learn and make money consistently in stock market. Thank you all. Like, comment, share and subscribe to Consistent Trader. Thank you.